Welcome. If you want to turn off or turn on camera watermark in Nokia G10, at first we have to go for the settings. Next, we have to simply find this option, watermark, and then tap on the switcher to turn it on. And if you want to turn it on, just click set. As you can see, we can add personal messages like hello. Click OK to confirm. We can also add the device information. And as you can see here, we can change the theme of our personal message. I'm going to pick, for example, this one. Here we can also personalize images. So we can basically get photo from our gallery. And we will get the cool looking and very original watermark. But let's leave it like that. And take a look right now when I'm going to take photo. On the left or the right bottom corner, we'll find the watermark on our camera. So let's open the photo. As you can see, the watermark appears in the left bottom corner. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.